We were so wrong. We should have loved him.
Don't come back until you learn how to behave. I mean it. Now get out.
I can't endure this anymore, Ethan. It's him or me.
You can't mean that.
I do. Send the police to my old house. Arrest them. Please, it's important.
Noah, turn the TV up. I can't hear my favorite cartoons. Mr. Spot, Cinderella, you are so slow today. Hurry up, let's go! Cinderella, wake up! Mr. Spot, not you too, wake up! Ugh. Sir.
Max, careful.
Hee hee, Max, that tickles! It's okay, Max. I will clean it up real quick. Whoa! Max, careful!
Noah, the laundry isn't going to wash itself. Hurry up.
But it's so much.
No excuses. Get started. Okay.
Keep the noise down, Claire. I am trying to work.
No leftover roast for you. Just eat your plain rice.
Here you go, boy. Good dogs deserve good food.
Today's word is injustice. It means things are not fair. Watch out, loser. Time for my superstar gymnastics routine. Ta-da! See that, Noah? And now, the grand finale. Perfect score. You're just jealous. Oh no, Mom is going to totally freak out. What do? It just slipped. I have to fix this. Quick! Cinderella, stop! The vase is stuck on you! What am I going to do?
My beautiful Italian vase. What happened here? It's ruined.
He pushed me. Noah did it because he's jealous of my pancakes.
Noah, you broke the vase.
It's not fair. No, that's not fair. I was in the hallway.
Silence, Noah. Stop making excuses and learn some respect.
I can't endure this anymore. It's him or me.
You are a destructive brat. Pack your bag. You're leaving.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Out now. Don't come back until you learn how to behave. I mean it. Now get out.
I didn't do anything wrong. Max, you can come with me. You're my best friend. We have to survive on our own now, boy. Let's go. Washington. Gotcha. It's beautiful. You're my best friend. I love you.
The eagle's falling. It's hurt. Look out, it's coming down. Sir, we're coming. Collision. Oof, collision.
You okay, kid?
You okay, kid?
I'm fine. Barnaby, stop. Barnaby, that tickles.
Woof, woof.
Max, come here, boy.
Whoa, look out!
Thank you for saving my Barnaby, young man. You are a true hero. Why are you all alone with only a backpack?
I had to leave.
You are not alone now.
They threw me out. And they said I wasn't perfect enough for their house. Really? For real?
No more, Noah. From this day on, you are a member of the first family.
Thank you.
Welcome home.
Is this real? I have a home. I finally have a real home. I have a home. Chocolate chip pancakes? This is the best breakfast in the history of the world.
A leader must always protect the smallest voices. Remember that, Noah.
I promise. I will make sure everyone is treated fairly.
That's very good to hear, son.
I mean it.
I believe you. Noah, I don't have much time, but I trust you.
I understand.
Be brave for me.
I will.
Good boy.
By emergency decree, I command that Noah is now president.
Me? But I'm only 8. I can't run the country.
You can do anything, son.
Really?
You know what is fair, Noah. Take charge. Change the world.
I won't let you down. I promise.
All right, DreamKids. It's time to make the rules. Let's go. My first executive order.
Yes, Pizza Fridays!
Pizza Fridays for every school in DreamKids. What a wonderful idea. I can't wait.
No homework on Fridays, ever. It's the law.
Noah, what have you done?
I signed the fun decree.
No homework! That's my boy!
We're so proud of you!
Best law ever.
Third order. Free ice cream for every kid in DreamKids every single day.
And water slides in every park. This is going to be epic. That's a brilliant idea, sweetie.
Giant slides everywhere! Whoa! He fell over!
This is going to be epic. Careful with that curve, guys. Yes, we did it!
Hang on! Max, you're a mess!
If you want a water slide in your house, subscribe to the channel right now.
Time for serious business. Nobody should be treated like I was. I promise to make things better for everyone.
No parent is allowed to abuse or ignore their child. It's the law. Every kid deserves love, fairness, and hot pancakes. Bill passed.
Whoa! Whew! Yes, we did it!
I fixed the country. Now, it's time to fix my past. Send the police to my old house. Arrest them. It's very important.
FBI and Secret Service, open the door immediately.
Open the door.
They're not responding.
Knock again.
What is going on? Why is the police here? We have a warrant. Step aside. A warrant for what? This is insane! Move, or we will force entry. You are under arrest for severe child abuse and neglect. This is a mistake! Let me go! Please, there's been a misunderstanding. You have the right to remain silent. Move.
Mom, Dad, what did you do? This is a total nightmare. Where are you taking them? Please, don't go!
We were so wrong. We should have loved him.
Justice is finally served. They are guilty, and now they pay.
Yes, they are. It's over now.
I'm just glad it's done. If you believe in fairness like I do, smash that like button and subscribe.
World leaders, citizens, it is time to talk about the word injustice. Injustice affects us all, from the smallest child to the greatest nation. We must confront it together, today.
Injustice. This was the first word I wrote. Today, it is the last.
From now on, no child will ever be thrown out. No child will be invisible.
I declare global peace. Trade your toy guns for building blocks right now.
Yes, let's trade. This is wonderful.
Children from all over the world are trading their weapons for building bricks.
And my most important order yet, build the greatest hospital DreamKids has ever seen. For him.
The best doctors in the world. The best medicine. Nothing is too good for him.
It's over. We finally did it, Max. The world is finally fair for everyone. Dear Noah, I am so sorry. You are a great brother. She really means it, Max. Everyone deserves a second chance. I drew this for you. I hope we can be a family again. Please, can we try? I miss us.
Of course we can, Sophie. I forgive you completely. I am officially declaring today Family Forgiveness Day in DreamKids.
That's wonderful. Look at everyone, Sophie. This is what true fairness looks like.
Mr. President, the doctors say you are going to be okay.
You saved me, Noah. You built this hospital for me.
And that is why in DreamKids, we always treat each other with kindness. Welcome to the United States of DreamKids, where fairness rules forever.
The secret to the perfect treat is fairness for everyone. Dig in, guys.
Haha, well done, Noah.
This is wonderful! Let's eat!
See, if we work together, the drawing becomes even better. You're right! Let's add more flowers! Great job! This is so much fun! This is the best burger I've ever made. Family is everything. It looks wonderful, sweetie.
We're so proud of you.
Pets are citizens too. They deserve the best snacks and the softest beds.
Three, two, one. Blast off for DreamKid Science.
Oh, it's going the wrong way! Run!
Let's chase it off!
Wow, look at it go! Checkmate, sir. But thanks for the lesson. You're getting better.
Well played, young man. I'm proud of you.
Next stop, the Great Library of Blocks. All aboard for fairness.
Yay! Fairness! Hooray! Woof! Woof!
It's a beautiful world, isn't it? And we're just getting started.
See? If we work together, the drawing becomes even better. Great job.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
This is so fun!
We're a great team. From now on, the word injustice is deleted from our dictionary forever.
Happy birthday, DreamKids. Here's to 1,000 years of fairness. What did you think of Noah's story? Tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories just like this one.